Today we will learn how to fill up a C form. C form is a form which is used by the hotels whenever a foreign guest checks in the hotel. So every foreign guest checks in the hotel needs to fill up the C form. It is compulsory, and once it has been filled up, the next day it needs to be handed over to the police station for record, and it is compulsory or mandatory for all hotels to fill up the C form. In the C form, what you basically have to do is your hotel name, or with the logo it will come, and then you will mention the name of the foreign guest in full. It has to be in the full, and what is his nationality, his passport number, when is the passport been issued to him, date of the issue, place of the issue, and address in India. If he is visiting India, if he is staying with you, for which company he has come or for what work he has come. So you need to have a Indian address. The guest need to have a Indian address in the sense for what reason he is visiting India. Could be a tourist, then you can mention as a tourist, or could be possible that he has come for some official work for the particular company, that also can be mentioned. And after that, you need to mention the date of arrival in India, when he has arrived in India. That is very important. And from which place he is arriving, and how many days he is going to stay in India, and how many days he is going to stay in your hotel. And after he checks out from your hotel, where he will be going back. And you have to make sure you take the visa details of the guest. So all the visa details like visa number, date of issue, place of issue will need to be mentioned in the C form. And take a Xerox copy of the passport and a visa, and attach the Xerox copies along with the C form. And make sure when you fill up the C form, guest signature is mandatory. It is it proves an authenticity that guest has signed, and the manager's signature will also be there. So this is a proof that we have a foreign guest staying with us. His signature is also there, and the details which we have mentioned in the C form belongs to him. So no, if tomorrow anything goes wrong, you have all the details with you and guest signature is there, so you can tell the guest that this is the details you have provided and you have signed the C form. So this is a proof for us. So once you done with all the formalities, you take out a copy of that and send the bellboy or send somebody and submit it in the police station. So this is, every hotel need to fill up this C form for the foreign nationals, not for the domestic guests. It is only for the foreign nationals, and you have to make sure this has been sent to the nearest police station of your area for the record. If tomorrow anything goes wrong, police has the record of the foreigner's arrival in the state or in your city. Okay, hope it is clear to you all.